Hello, my name is Adena and I'm on the membership team at the browser company. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about getting started with and using extensions in Arc. In Arc, we have full extension support, so you don't need to hesitate when you're thinking, I need this or that extension, or I want to get started by importing extensions from my previous browser. All of it is possible in Arc. So to get started, I might recommend that you start by deciding if you want to import your extensions from your previous browser. That way you're starting off with all of the extensions that you used in, let's say, Chrome. To do that, you can just easily go up here to Arc, import from another browser, and you'll see some browser options here. Go ahead and click the one you want to import your extensions from, and you'll be good to go. If you don't want to import all of your extensions from your previous browser, or you've already done that and you want to add new extensions, it's just as easy. So to add new extensions, you can do it in a number of ways. One easy way is to just go up here to Extensions, Add Extension. You can also use the command bar in Arc for anything, but especially for extensions. So you can go ahead and hit Command T and type Add Extension and go ahead and click Enter. And that will open up the Chrome Web Store. Extensions in Arc are using Chromium extensions, so that's why it's the Chrome Web Store here. Go ahead and type the name of the extension you would like to install. So one common one is 1Password, for example. Click on the extension that you'd like and click Add to Chrome. Arc will just double check that you want to add the extension, click Add, and then you'll usually be taken to the extension sign-in page. In this case, I'm actually already signed up, so I'm good to go, but you'll just go through, your sign-in flow for that particular extension. Once you have extensions installed, if you'd like to delete them or manage them, you can do that by hitting Command T, Manage Extensions. And that will just show the extensions that you have here in the extension manager. You can also go up here and go Extensions, Manage Extensions as well. So once you have your extensions installed and you're ready to use them, it's super easy in Arc. So I picked this page here. I log into MailChimp all the time. If I want to pop open my extension for my 1Password, I can hit Command T and just type the word 1Password, the name of my extension. So if you're using a different extension, just type the name of that extension. And just a couple letters will let you quickly hit Enter and actually open up the extension in Arc. If you don't want to use Command T to use extensions, you can also access extensions anytime up here. So clicking on 1Password will work as well. Or we have this puzzle icon at the top, and this will show you your extension list as well. If you want to review this, go ahead and check out the easel in the description of this video. This is how you import extensions, add and manage extensions, and of course use extensions in Arc. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this is super easy for you to get started, and you can let me know what you think or share feedback anytime by hitting feedback through the app or by DMing me on Twitter. My Twitter is _AdenaB. Thanks so much.